Will the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario replace the Huracan? Forget everything you know about Lamborghinis. The roaring V10s, the spine-shattering acceleration, the angry wasp exhaust notes that wake up entire zip codes. Yeah, forget all that. Because Lamborghini just did something crazy. Again. Introducing the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario, a hybrid monster with the name of a rogue gladiator and the tech of a sci-fi spaceship. But here's the million-dollar question. Or more accurately, the $350,000 question. Will the Temerario replace the legendary Huracan? Let's find out. Stick around till the end where we answer the age-old question. Do 3 electric motors and a smaller engine make up for losing 2 cylinders and your entire neighborhood's peace and quiet? And hey, if you're obsessed with exotic cars that cost more than your house, don't forget to like, subscribe, and slap that bell harder than an Aventador downshift. Huracan vs. Temerario, the Battle of the Bull. So let's start with the Huracan, Lamborghini's golden child. V10 engine, 640 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. It's basically a flamethrower with seats. Now enter the Temerario, Lamborghini's first plug-in hybrid supercar. Sounds tame. Yeah, we thought so too. Until we realized it has a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, 3 electric motors, and nearly 1,000 horsepower. Yes, you heard right. Lamborghini looked at Tesla and said, cool, but can it scream at 11,000 RPM while looking like a polygon from a video game? The look, spaceship or supercar? Let's address the raging bull in the room, the design. People said the Temerario looks too tame, which is like saying a dragon's fire isn't hot enough. But remember, people also said the same thing when the Huracan first came out. And now look, it's got more special editions than a Marvel phase chart. STO, Technica, Sterato, Evo, Huracan had more spin-offs than the Kardashians. And guess what? The Temerario is just getting started. Lamborghini is cooking up versions like the STTO, STJ, Evo, and probably a Temerario GT Uber Edition. It'll only get crazier. So don't let the clean look fool you, the madness is coming. Power shift, goodbye V10, hello Frankenstein. Alright, time for some sad news. The Huracan was the end of an era, Lamborghini's last V10. RIP angry V10 noises, we'll miss you dearly. But don't panic just yet. Lamborghini didn't go full electric with the Temerario. Thank the Italian car gods. Instead, they Frankensteined a solution. Remove 2 cylinders, slap on 3 electric motors, and boom, you have a hybrid that makes a Tesla cry. The Temerario hits 0 to 60 in under 2.7 seconds. That's faster than your Amazon Prime delivery. Plus, those electric motors only weigh 34 pounds each. That's less than a pug wearing a sweater. Interior, fighter jet or iPad showroom. Let's step inside, shall we? In the Huracan, you had a cool 8.4-inch screen and the glorious fighter jet start button. Pop the red cover, press the button, and boom, you're Iron Man. The Temerario? Oh, it's next level. It looks like a UFO inside, with 3 screens, carbon fiber vents that could slice bread. And yes, still that red flip-up start button. Thankfully, Lamborghini didn't go full Tesla touchscreen madness. There's a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, an 8.4-inch infotainment screen, and a 9.1-inch passenger display. Because why not distract your passenger while you hit warp speed? Price tag panic. Let's talk money. The Huracan Technica started at $249,865. Or as we like to call it, relatively affordable for selling your soul. But the Temerario? Buckle up. $357,621 base price. Spec it out and you're knocking on $500,000 door. $500,000. That's not a car, that's a 4-wheel divorce starter. Still, if you want the future of Italian Fury parked in your driveway, that's the price of admission. Design debate. Which one screams Lamborghini? The Huracan has sharp lines, personality in every angle, and taillights that scream, "Move!" The Temerario, sleeker, smoother, more modern. It looks like it was designed in a wind tunnel by an alien with a design degree. But here's the twist. The Temerario side profile is basically a modern love letter to the Gallardo. Those simple, beautiful side intakes, that elegant curve over the rear wheel, classic Lamborghini DNA. So while the front might be clean, the side is straight up sexy. It's like they photoshopped the Gallardo with 2025 filters and called it a day. Wheels, wings, and who wore it better? Now wheel designs. Temerario, blacked out, mean-looking but hard to appreciate. Huracan, these wild, hollowed-out turbines that look like they belong in an F1 pit garage. And rear ends? Both are aggressive, but the Huracan Evo nailed it. Ducktail spoiler, bazooka-style tailpipes, and a diffuser big enough to do laundry in. The Temerario's exhaust is way up high, probably so pedestrians can smell your $6 per gallon fuel more easily. The final verdict, which should I buy? So, after all this, the Huracan, cheaper, more personality in the design, that V10 soundtrack equals goosebumps, a future classic. The Temerario, faster, more high-tech, a hybrid beast ready to take on the future. Possibly more reliable, don't quote us though, it's still Italian. But here's the deal. While the Huracan had that raw edge, the Temerario is Lamborghini's bridge to the future. It's not replacing the Huracan in spirit, it's evolving it. And once the STTO or some limited to 12 track-destroying Temerario variant drops, oh, it'll shut everyone up. Until then, we're calling it. The Temerario will replace the Huracan and probably break the internet doing it. So, what do you think? Would you pick the screaming V10 Huracan or the three-motor sci-fi spaceship Temerario? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like if this video made you laugh or learn something new. Comment with the dream Lambo spec you'd build. Green with gold wheels, matte black with carbon everything. Let's hear it. And as always, subscribe for more faceless, fearless, and occasionally ridiculous takes on the hottest cars in America. Until next time, drive safe, dream big, and never skip a cold start.